know that was gonna come in handy. Only me. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my favorite kind of looks. This cool tone sculpted fall makeup, perfect for those rainy fall days. I feel like this just gives me rainy, hazy, cozy vibes. Cool tone eye looks are just underrated. I was really inspired by the new Natasha Denona Glam palette. It's a lot of cool tone shades. But before we get started, I do want to shout out my next Dom Fam mystery box winner. She is right here. Her name's Dominique, actually, so we are twinning with the names. She just received all her gifts. If you want to check out what she got from me, then you can go to my Instagram and check that out on my stories. I'll have her there with her photo. It could just be something from me that I can't tell you because it's a mystery. Everything that basically you might get is on here. It's so cute. I love this freaking box. My friend made it for me. Thank you, Jalen. And she just made my box a lot cooler. If you want to enter to get a Dom Fam mystery box, all you have to do is put your Instagram handle in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite thing is. It could be beauty, it could be fashion, it could be anything. Just put it down there and just let me know because I want to know. Every video you'll have a chance to win a Dom Fam box, and it's a personal box from me to you. I'm so excited to connect with you guys on a deeper level with these boxes and just grow my family on here. I think we're getting a lot more connected since I started the Dom Fam mystery box. I write letters to you guys. There's personal photos and stuff like that, so it's really special. And good luck to you guys who are entering. It's for anybody in the entire world who wants to enter. I will ship it to you wherever you're from. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want to see how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom Fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Hold on, wait. Did I not even talk about my hair? And I've just been loving this longer hair. I just want to tell you guys that. Do you think I should get extensions? Let me know. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get into it. I'm back at it again with the fake nails. I put these on myself just a minute ago, just for you actually. I want to show you the brand before because I got a lot of questions in my pumpkin cream makeup tutorial that I did. Those nails you guys really like, so I wanted to show you guys what I use. This is from Ace Beauty. These are so cute and they already come like shaped and colored and everything. All you gotta do is glue them on. You can glue them on, or they have like little stickies. So let's get into the face. I already did my brows to save time, and now I'm just gonna get into my skin. I already prepped my skin really good, so I'm just gonna go into coverage. I'm trying something new today. I'm doing the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. I looked at the reviews on this moisturizer and it says you can get up to medium coverage with this, which obviously in my last video I was showing you guys how I cover my acne. All my acne is pretty smooth right now. It's pretty flat. So I don't want a lot of full coverage on it. I want a medium coverage. I want my skin to look even. A lot of the reviews are positive about this, so I'm really excited to try it. I got it in PR. It's supposed to give you 24-hour hydration, and it also has an SPF of 30 sunscreen. That might be a little too tan for me. I feel like a lot of my foundations are a little too tan for me right now. Let's try to make it work though. I'm just putting on a light layer. I did get the laser skin resurfacing. I only go little by little monthly. You don't see a big difference in my skin right away. Over time, I'm supposed to have smoother texture. We'll see. I feel like maybe that's why it looks a little better today. I kind of like that it's so thin that it kind of just melts into the skin, and it's kind of sheer on my face right now, as long as I can build it up. I even put on silver earrings for you guys today to go with the cool tone vibes. There are people out there that don't just want warm tones, and I personally love warm tones. I wear them all the time. It's kind of like my staple, but I never wear cool tone. And I wanted a fall look that's not just warm. I'm like, let's expand our creativity today and do something with cool tones. Uh-oh, what is happening? Oh my god, it's like rolling off my face. You know what? This is probably my skincare that I put on. Let me try that again. I'm just gonna take this off. Why does this happen to me? It only happens to me, I feel like. Nobody else. So I decided not to use this guy because I put it on the back of my hand and I was like trying to blend it in, and it started balling up all over the hand. So that just made me feel like I shouldn't use this one on my face, or I have like a bad batch or something, I don't know. But I have this one right here from Makeup Forever. It's called Reboot, and it has a lot of skincare benefits. This is also a light to medium coverage, so I wanted to try that out. It's actually light coverage on the website, but some people say that this could be a medium. So this one actually matches my skin tone. Y355 kind of like disappears. So this one will probably be a better match. Ooh, okay. Right away I can see I'm gonna like this a lot. It does have a strong fragrance. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me or anything. This one also gives you up to 24 hours hydration, so that's amazing because you guys know I have dry AF skin. And it's gonna give you a radiant satin finish. It's supposed to smooth and firm the skin, so let's give me all of that. Put some on my eyelids. I'm gonna just put this everywhere. I can already feel, I like the way it applies initially. It just makes my skin look really healthy. Do you see the difference? Ooh. How have I never used this? This looks amazing. It looks like very healthy and glowy. I love it. Oh my God, I think I have a new favorite. It's the hydrated skin for me. I like the coverage. It's not super light, like barely there. It actually has some coverage, but it's very natural. If you have super oily skin, you may not like how dewy it leaves your skin looking. I like it. It makes my skin feel healthy and glowing. This could be like an everyday foundation for those of us with dry skin. I'm gonna get straight into the eyes because I am so excited about this palette. This is the new, hold on, let me clean it. This is the new Natasha Denona Glam palette. It is so beautiful. It just reminds me of like a rainy, hazy day. I don't know about you guys, but I love rainy days. And this gives me that type of vibe, like a rainy fall makeup day. This palette's interesting because there's no names. There's only like instructions. So like this would be transition and crease. That's like a brow bone color to me, but she has transition in here. She has inner corner, outer eyelid, center eyelid, and she just points out where you would use them. Lash line, blend, smoke. I think this is cool for beginners. It's gonna be very helpful for those people that don't know how to wear cool tone eyeshadows. So we're gonna get into it. So the first colors I'm gonna pick up are these two guys right here. I really feel like that is a bone color, like brow bone vibes. I trust Natasha Denona. I believe in her. She's one of my favorite makeup artists and favorite brands. So we're just gonna do it. I'm just gonna pat the transition color that they have on here. It's super light, so I'm just gonna tap that all over my eyelid because it is very glossy right now. I'm gonna take transition and crease, and we're gonna pop that in the crease. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna use circular motions. Make sure you keep your hand at the back of the brush. And just circular motions in the crease. This is actually really pretty, this combination, right? I wasn't expecting it to be this color. So we have a light wash there. I'm gonna take Smoke, which is this brown over here, and pop that onto the outer crease, so right in this area. The eyeshadows blend so beautifully. I'm also gonna take Smoke and put it on the inner corner. I'm using a fluffy brush just because I want it to be super blown out and soft. So I'm not really focusing on the center at all. I'm just kind of, if it gets in the center, I'm fine with it. I'm not gonna be mad at it. But I have my clean brush with the transition shade that's like bone color. Just cleans everything up. I'm gonna take the shade Blend and I'm gonna pop that right on top of all the smokiness that I have going on. Take Smoke and Blend on the lower lash line. And this one just fits perfectly right under the eye, so I'm just gonna drag it back and forth. Pop into Smoke and Lash Line and press this into the outer and inner part of the lid. I don't know if it's just me, but I really am not a highlight brow bone person. I have to have like a matte. So I'm gonna go into transition because I think this is the perfect color for the brow bone. So now that we have the matte on there, now I feel comfortable with putting a little bit of shimmer on the brow bone, but in the center of the brow bone, just for a little pop. And then it says outer lid. So I'm gonna go in the outer lid with this shade right here. It's a really pretty gunmetal shade. The DSO2 packer brush and start with the outer lid. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and just softly blend that all over the top. And then on the center of the lid, I'm gonna take center eyelid. It's really nice gray shimmer. They have really good pigmentation, super buttery. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna take this pretty champagne shimmer. I'm gonna go over with a little blending brush. This is a Sigma Diffuse Crease brush. And I'm just gonna go over the edges of everything and make sure we don't have any harsh lines. This is actually the most shimmer I've ever worn on my eye. Or not ever, but in a very long time. But I think it looks really good. And Queen Denona made this palette and she knew what she was doing, so. I'm gonna take a very, very big fluffy brush. This is one right here from Farah, 35E, and I'm gonna go back into Blend, and I wanna go over everything and make sure everything is nice and blown out. So I'm gonna go over the top like that. Very softly and barely pressing, I'm not even pressing down, I'm just sweeping back and forth. And I'm gonna go on the edges just to make sure everything's nice and diffused. And then for the lash line, I'm gonna take lash line. I can't believe I'm following the rules on this. It's been a while. I think it's fun because no palette ever tells you what to do. So I don't mind it. I think it's fun. So I'm gonna take this brow blade brush, dip into lash line. If you ever wanna do a wing and you just suck at wings, do a wing with eyeshadow first and you'll feel a lot more confident. Then you can go over with a pencil or a liquid and it'll be easier. It's like kind of like your guide, and it's really, really hard to mess up. And if you do, it's very easy to clean up. And then on the lash line and on the waterline, we're gonna be real dramatic today. This is the Makeup Forever Iron 3. I actually wanna fill in really close to the lash line with this. I think because I'm doing this makeup look, I feel like I can hear rain outside, but I think it's just the air conditioning. The whole video is really getting to me. Comment below if it's raining where you're at. I'm gonna do gray on half of the waterline. And then on the inner corner, I am going to use 500 Boldless Bisque, a matte off-white color. All right, so now it is time for the lashes. I feel like the lashes make the entire look. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on my lashes off camera and I meshed them together. Hold on, wait. Ooh, these are kind of hanging out. Now I'm going to do my face, the rest of my face. We are going to contour. I'm gonna be using this Kendall from Kylie Cosmetics contour stick. This is in the shade Act Natural. It's actually called a bronzer stick, but it's just like a perfect gray tone contour for me, like a natural shadow contour. So I'm gonna really focus on structuring my face because I want sculpted cheekbones for this look. I'm gonna do this just so I can have a little bit more of a pout under my lip and then blend it. I'm trying not to mess up my baby hairs that I worked so hard on. You guys, this is dandruff in real life. Comment below if you have dandruff and you found something that works amazingly. Please let me know. I have it really bad, so let me know. Now that I chiseled out my face, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Concealer that I've been loving, using, and just obsessing over is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I'm in the shade 2.6. Pop that on right along the side of my nose. And I'm gonna bring it out here. That was super crooked, but we'll make it work. I am just obsessed with how this makes your skin look so flawless, and the coverage is, I have no words for the coverage. The coverage is so nice, it's very comfortable, and it just gives you this layer of new, smooth skin. I'm gonna take this brush right here again. This is the Blend in shade, and pop into blend and just go right underneath the lash line because we lost some of that shadow. So I'm just gonna press that in and use it like as a baking powder to make sure that this stays in place. I'm only gonna mattify this center area that kind of does get a little bit more oily. Bronze, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. I haven't used this in a while and it was my favorite, probably like last year or 2 years ago consecutively, but I'm gonna try it again. I'm probably gonna fall back in love. Let's see. But I'm gonna go over the areas that I wanna bronze up. For the blush, I'm gonna use this bronzer as my blush because there's like such a cool steel looking vibe for my eyes that I wanna make sure that everything else is warm so there's a nice balance. And then I'm gonna go in with my really sad contour palette from KVD. This is very old. I just switch out the little palettes and I don't really use this very often, but I really want a very structured contoured look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Shadow Play and just make sure all my features are really defined. So starting with the nose, I'm gonna take the medium angled shading brush from Sigma. Then I'm gonna go in with the same color and just focus on the hollow areas of the face so it's not so matte. I'm gonna take my Copper Light Skin Gloss, and this is my ultimate favorite shade, obviously. I'm just gonna take it right around this area, and there's light reflecting properties. If you have textured skin like me, it's actually gonna make your skin look smoother. So I'm just gonna put it like in the temple area and right on the forehead. Something really special is happening with the lips today. I didn't think I was gonna do this, but this is just the perfect color for this look. This has not launched yet, it's about to launch. These are new from Dominique Cosmetics. They're launching very soon, but I wanted to sneak peek them with you guys. And also they just were the perfect match for this look. This is our new lip liner and lipstick, and I'm so proud of this lip. This is just so beautiful. It looks like a jewel, and it's just gorgeous and I love it. I'm gonna be using the Dominique Cosmetics lip liner in Nudie, and it has like a teardrop tip so that you can fill in and define super easy. They're actually called Creamy Fill and Define because the lip liners are so creamy. So if you wanted to fill in your entire lip, you could, and it's very comfortable. Or if you just want to define your lip, you can. And then I'm gonna go in with Pretty Natural. Wait, we gotta get a close-up of this. I've already used it, you guys can see. And I'm just gonna pop that on top of the lip. And it has that same teardrop shape, so it's easy to create a defined line or to fill in. And they're so creamy. They're clean beauty, vitamin E, they're vegan, cruelty-free, obviously. Everything's cruelty-free with my brand. And they just feel so, so soft on the lips. I can't wait for you guys to try them. So that is my lip. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I feel like we're holding hands. I really, really love you guys, and you make my day a whole lot brighter. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and thumbs it up. It lets me know that you liked it. And don't forget to check out these two videos over here on the side if you haven't already. And before I let you go, as always, I leave you with a note from me to you, and that is to make the people around you feel good about themselves. No matter who it is, where you're going, make sure when they leave you that they feel good. That's it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.